I am Punyakirti BL. Welcome to my new series on Python for Generative AI. In this series, we are going to explore how Python powers some of the most exciting AI applications today, from text generation and image creation to chatbots and beyond. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you what this series will cover. We will go over Python basics for AI, explore popular AI libraries, and work on hands on projects together. By the end, you will see how Python brings these generative AI ideas to life. So, why Python? The answer is simple. Python is the language of AI. It's easy to learn, has a clean syntax, and most importantly, it has an incredible ecosystem of libraries and frameworks built specially for AI and machine learning. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Hugging Face transformers make it possible to train and use powerful AI models with just a few lines of code. Python also has amazing data handling tools like NumPy and Pandas, which help manage the massive data sets that AI needs. Generative AI is all about creating, whether that's generating text, images, music, or even code. And Python is the backbone of this entire movement. For example, with just few lines of Python, you can connect to a large language model and start building your own chatbot. If you are into images, libraries like Stable Diffusion and Diffusers let you generate stunning art from text prompts. Python also makes it easy to experiment with fine tuning models so you can create AI that's customized for your needs. Another big reason Python is perfect for generative AI is the community. There are thousands of tutorials, open source projects, and pre trained models ready for you to use. That means you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can start experimenting right away. So that's why Python is the number one choice for generative AI. In this series, we will dive into practical coding examples, show you how to use the most popular libraries, and even build some cool projects together. If you are excited to explore Python for generative AI, stick around because this is just the beginning. Subscribe or follow to make sure you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes. I am Punyakirti BL. Thank you very much.